This is GCSE Further Mechanics. We are doing velocity time graphs, and this is example 2. This is a tougher example. Two bodies start together and move along the same straight line. If one moves with constant velocity 6, while the other one starts from rest and accelerates at 4 meters per second squared, how long will it be before they're together again? So hopefully you can picture what's going on here. We have two things starting off. If one's starting off at rest and the other's starting off at 6, the one going at 6 will get a bit of a head start, and then this one gets quicker and quicker and quicker and then catches up. So we need to try and represent that on a velocity time graph. So we have this going here and this going here. So if it's traveling with a constant velocity, it's just going to be a horizontal line going across the whole time, and that's going in at 6. That's our velocity here, and that's our time. If the other one's accelerating, then it's going to be going like this here, and then getting faster. And at some time, we're going to call it t, then they'll meet up with each other. So I'm going to put my t here. Okay, and let t equal time when they meet. Now, something else important happens here at that time. So let's see, my fingers again to represent things. The one heading up at 6 goes, and then this one eventually catches up. Notice the distance they've travelled is the same. So at time t, the areas under the graph must be the same as each other because they've travelled the same distance, and that's the key then to working these things out. So the first area is just going to be 6 times t. The second area is going to be t times v, which we'll call it the speed they're doing, so the velocity they're doing up here, divided by 2. So it's going to be a half vt. But we know that the gradient is 4. And we know acceleration is velocity over time. Let's move up a wee bit so we can see everything as we do it. We know then multiplying through it by t, at equals v, and we know that 4t equals v. So that means that a half vt, which we've written up here, is actually the same as a half upon 4t, exchanging my v for 4t, t. So that's equal then to 2t squared. So the distance travelled by this one here is 6t. The distance travelled by this one here is 2t squared, and obviously those two things are equal to each other. So let's put those two equal to each other. Therefore 6t equals 2t squared. This is a quadratic now. I'm going to take everything over to this side, so we would have 0 equals 2t squared minus 6t. 0 equals 2t upon t minus 3. So that means either 2t equals 0 or t minus 3 equals 0. That means t equals 0 or t equals 3. Therefore, let's spell together again. After 3 seconds. So remember they were together at 0, so that's come out of it as well. And then after 3 seconds, then they're back together again.